Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trade Algo Bot Telegram, full guide. Open Telegram, search the bot name, tap Start, and accept permissions to begin interacting with the bot immediately. Next, link your Exchange API keys using read-only permissions where possible and restrict withdrawals. Test the connection with a small simulated trade to confirm settings. Keep your credentials private and review risk limits before running live strategies to protect capital. In this video, I will explain how to use Trade Algo Bot Telegram, full guide. Select a pre-built strategy or create a custom one by setting entry conditions, timeframes, and risk rules. Configure take profit, stop loss, and trailing rules, and choose order types such as market or limit. Save strategy versions and run backtests to compare metrics. Monitor performance, tweak parameters when needed, and always start with small allocation to manage risk. In this video, I will explain how to use Trade Algo Bot Telegram, full guide. Quick recommendation: if you like clean desks while trading, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control to keep your workspace tidy and distraction-free. It's a fun productivity boost that frees time for strategy tweaking. If you enjoy this guide, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Trade Algo Bot Telegram, full guide. Watch your bot via the Telegram chat, noting executed orders, fills, and error messages in real time. Configure notifications for critical events like large losses, connection drops, and margin calls to react quickly. Use kill switches and max drawdown triggers to protect capital, and document changes to strategies so you can audit decisions when markets behave unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.